Did you know there is a true underwater legend hiding in the rivers of the Amazon? A fish that not only thrives in extreme conditions, but can also breathe air, just like humans. Deep within the tropical rivers of the Amazon lives an extraordinary creature steeped in legend. This fish, both majestic and mysterious, is a symbol of strength and resilience in local cultures. Many believe it possesses magical properties, bringing luck and protection against evil spirits. According to ancient lore, the tribes of the Amazon revered this fish, calling it the spirit fish, and believing it could communicate with humans. One tale tells of a brave hunter who encountered the fish in a dream. It revealed hidden treasures of the river and the importance of preserving nature. Inspired by this vision, the hunter became a protector of the rivers and forests, sharing wisdom about living in harmony with the world around him. From that time on, the fish has been admired not only as a natural wonder, but as a symbol of unity between humanity and nature. Its massive size and graceful movements remind us that we all hold the power to make a difference. And this legendary creature is none other than the arapaima. The arapaima is one of the largest freshwater fish in the world, thriving in the rivers and tributaries of the Amazon. It can reach length of up to 10 feet and weigh over 500 pounds. It is indeed a giant of the water, instantly recognizable by its size and unique shape. What makes the arapaima truly remarkable is its ability to breathe both underwater and at the surface. Unlike most fish that rely solely on gills to extract oxygen from water, the arapaima has specialized lungs that enable it to breathe air. This unique adaptation is vital in the low oxygen waters of tropical rivers, and the fish has to surface every 15-20 minutes to gulp air. Its lungs, similar in structure in those of mammals, not only ensure its survival in harsh environments, but also allow it to evade predators by hiding among aquatic vegetation. This remarkable respiratory system is an evolutionary marvel that has enabled the arapaima to thrive in the challenging ecosystems of the Amazon. The arapaima is a predator, primarily feeding on fish, but its diet also includes crustaceans and mollusks. With powerful jaws and sharp teeth, it can capture and hold onto its prey with incredible efficiency. The fascinating thing about the arapaima's feeding habit is its ability to adapt to environmental conditions. When food is scarce, it can shift to smaller fish or even vegetation, a flexibility that ensures its survival in changing environments. Using a variety of hunting techniques, the arapaima may ambush prey from the riverbed or actively chase it, displaying impressive speed and agility. This fish is even known to leap out of the water to catch food on the surface. As a top predator, the arapaima plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of the Amazon's aquatic system, helping to regulate fish populations and sustain the health of its environment. The arapaima has a fascinating reproductive cycle that ensures the survival of its ancient lineage. Reaching maturity at 4-5 years of age, the fish gathers in shallow waters during the breeding season. The male digs a nest on the riverbed, a shallow pit about 3 feet wide and 12 inches deep. After spawning, the male fertilizes the eggs and takes on the responsibility of guarding the nest and the hatchlings. The eggs hatch in 3-5 days, and the young remain under the male's protection for 3-2 weeks, safe from predators. Once strong enough, they leave the nest to join the mother, who stays nearby to provide additional protection. The female arapaima takes on the crucial role of feeding and protecting her young. She swims closely beside them, warding off predators. Remarkably, the mother even transports her fry to safer locations by carrying them in her mouth, a true testament to her dedication. This remarkable parental care minimizes mortality rates and supports stable populations. However, overfishing and habitat destruction threaten this cycle, putting the arapaima's future at risk. The unique reproductive cycle of arapaima plays a vital role in the Amazon ecosystem. While the fry are under careful protection, they still serve as an essential food source for other fish and animals. However, the parental care provided by the males significantly reduces fry mortality rates, ensuring stable arapaima populations. Most importantly, the health of these populations serves as a key indicator of the overall condition of the Amazon ecosystem. Unfortunately, the arapaimia's reproduction faces numerous threats. As a highly prized commercial fish, it is harvested extensively, disrupting its breeding cycles. Pollution and habitat destruction damage critical spawning grounds and jeopardize the survival of the fry, which can lead to a significant decline in their numbers. Protecting the arapaimia's reproductive cycle is crucial to preserving this extraordinary species and maintaining the delicate balance of the Amazon ecosystem. Without these efforts, the future of the arapaima and the vibrant environment it helps sustain could be at risk. The arapaima is deeply intertwined with the culture and economy of the Amazon region. It is a symbol of strength and abundance and local traditions, and its size and weight make it a prized catch for fishermen. This giant holds a prominent place in the mythology and folklore of the Amazon's indigenous peoples. It is believed to possess supernatural abilities and it's regarded as guardian of the rivers. The arapaima is often featured in various rituals and ceremonies, including initiation rites, healing practices, and festive celebrations. Its scales and teeth are commonly used to craft traditional jewelry and talismans. The arapaima is also a highly valuable commercial fish. Its meat, skin, and swim bladder are in great demand in markets. Commercial fishing of arapaima provides livelihoods for many local communities. Additionally, it draws tourists eager to witness this giant fish in its natural habitat. Ecotourism centered around the arapaima generates income for local businesses and supports conservation efforts. For local communities, the arapaima serves as an essential source of protein. Its harvest contributes to food security and improves nutritional outcomes. In the Amazon ecosystem, the arapaima plays a critical role in maintaining the balance of fish and other aquatic species populations. Overfishing, however, can disrupt the food chain and lead to a decline in biodiversity. Habitat destruction, such as deforestation and pollution, further threatens the survival of the species. Overall, the arapaima has a profound impact on the cultures and economies of the Amazon region. Its cultural significance, economic value, and ecological importance make it a species that must be protected and sustainably managed. This majestic fish is a vital component of the ecosystem within its natural habitats, playing a key role in maintaining ecological balance. First and foremost, the arapaima is a predator that regulates fish populations. It primarily feeds on other fish, but can also consume seeds that fall into the water, dispersing them over long distances. By controlling the numbers of other species, the arapaima helps maintain the health of the ecosystem, preventing overpopulation and resource depletion. Secondly, the arapaima is an essential food source for local communities. Not only does it provide a critical source of protein, but it also supports traditional fishing methods that are passed down through generations. This fosters a sustainable economy based on natural resources while preserving cultural heritage. In addition, the arapaima contributes to maintaining water quality. By stirring and filtering water, it helps keep aquatic environments clean, which benefits the health of other aquatic organisms. Unfortunately, due to overfishing and habitat destruction, the arapaima population is under threat. Protecting this unique fish in its habitat is crucial for preserving the biodiversity of the Amazon. Conserving the arapaima is not only important for the ecosystem, but also for future generations, who deserve the opportunity to marvel at this extraordinary creature. Thus, the arapaima is far more than just a fish. It is a cornerstone of the intricate web of life of the Amazon. Its preservation should be a priority for anyone who cares about the future of our planet. Various conservation measures have been implemented to protect the arapaima and ensure its survival. Many countries in the Amazon basin have introduced bans on commercial and sport fishing of the arapaima. In Brazil, fishing for arapaima is prohibited year-round, except in specific areas and in limited quantities for traditional fishing practices. Fishermen must obtain special licenses to catch arapaima, and their activities are closely monitored. The protection and restoration of arapaima habitats are critical. Efforts are being made to control pollution, deforestation, and changes in water flow that could negatively impact arapaima populations. There are special captive breeding programs that have been developed to replenish wild populations. Arapaimas bred in captivity are released into the wild to boost their numbers and maintain genetic diversity. Scientists are conducting studies on the biology of the arapaima, its population dynamics, and the impacts of human activities. Monitoring these populations helps track their numbers and supports informed decision-making for sustainable management. In some countries, governments strengthened law enforcement measures to combat illegal fishing and trading of arapaima. They are conducting patrols to prevent poaching and to seize illegally caught fish. Awareness campaigns are being carried out to highlight the importance of arapaima conservation. Local communities and stakeholders are actively involved in efforts to protect this species. Amazon basin countries are also collaborating on arapaima conservation. They've developed regional management plans and enacted agreements to ban trade. Thanks to these conservation measures, arapaima populations have started to recover in certain areas. However, continuous efforts in protection and management are essential to ensure the long-term survival of this species. Our journey into the world of the arapaima reveals not only biological marvel but also a reminder of nature's vulnerability. This incredible fish, with its unique adaptations and ecological significance, is a symbol of strength and fragility. Protecting the arapaima is essential for preserving the biodiversity of the Amazon and ensuring future generations can marvel at its majesty. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the natural world. See you next time!